But first, judge in the Walmart shooting case is ordering the district attorney to appear in the next status hearing. Good evening, I'm Carla Draxler, and thank you so much for joining us. Judge Sam Medrano holding a motion hearing this morning to address the DA's concern about what is going to happen in the status hearing scheduled for November 30th. However, neither the DA or any of the prosecutors on the case were present today.
We are trying to get to the bottom of who may have violated my court order.
Judge Sam Medrano firmly addressing the DA's office.
I don't know why the state continues to believe that there's anything vague.
DA's office saying they need clarification on what will happen at the hearing on November 30th. However, neither DA Yvonne Rosales herself nor a prosecutor on the case was present at the motion hearing. DA's office sending Kyle Vance to stand in court, who is not even working the Walmart case. Medrano then sending someone to find Rosales and former lead prosecutor Curtis Cox or Assistant District Attorney George Alhana.
Your Honor, the only individual I was able to get a hold of is Curtis Cox. And he's in quarantine and unavailable to attend this hearing.
Ms. Rosales is not in her office.
I don't know if she is, but I was unable to locate her.
Mr. Alhana is not downstairs?
I was not able to locate him either.
Medrano explaining the hearing on the 30th was set because the DA's office requested it in order to review potentially incriminating audio tapes that suggest DA's office could have allegedly broken the gag order. DA's office calling them altered.
If anybody did any alteration or any misrepresentation or any fraud, we have found out it's been the representatives of the state of Texas.
Defense attorney Joe Spencer accusing DA's office of purposefully postponing the hearing and dragging the case.
Tampering of witness, obstruction of justice, misprision of a felony, false statements.
Calling their actions a violation of the laws of humanity.
You know, every defense lawyer in the country knows that Patrick Cruces is not going to leave prison alive. He's going to leave prison in a coffin. And it's only a question whether it's going to be on God's time or man's time. But to re-traumatize and victimize the victims and accuse the victims of perpetrating a fraud or accuse the victims of doing nefarious things is unconscionable.
Judge Medrano ordering representative of the DA's office to make sure Rosales and Cox are present for the status hearing when it will be determined who broke the gag order he put in place on July 1st.
They will be here on November 30th.
KTSM also confirming former lead prosecutor Curtis Cox is no longer with the DA's office. We will be covering the status hearing on November 30th and keep you updated on the Walmart case.